What is up, guys? None of this it's in this video. I'm going to show you how you can connect your Gemini AI to your n8n. So first, you need to head over to your n8n's website, and then you need to create a new workflow. After that, you need to click on this plus icon and then search for Gemini. After searching for Gemini, you need to click on this Google Gemini, and then you need to, let's say, message a model. And after that, you need to click on this API key and then click on create new credential. But before that, you need to choose a model from the list. Let's say I want to choose the Gemini 2.5 Flash, and after that, I'll create a new credential. Now, to get the API key, you need to head over to Google AI Studio, and then from here, you need to create a new API key by just clicking on Create API Key and then naming your key. After naming your key, here you need to select the cloud project that you want, and then you need to click on Create Key. Due to some errors, my API key is failed to generate, but as you can see, I have this API key already generated, so I'll just copy this and then I'll head back to n8n. After that, I'll paste the n8n or I'll paste the Google API key and then click on save. After clicking on save, the credential has been successfully created and the connection has been tested successfully. So this is how you can connect your Google Gemini to your n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.